Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Oracle Love Light. Thank you guys for joining me. So I'm going to start today off with some coffee. I am just going to put about a teaspoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, and then I'm going to put, basically this is 2 tablespoons. I've done this enough so I know like the measurements, but basically 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. And then I'm going to let that brew, and I'm going to add some monk fruit sweetener. And it gives it kind of like a mocha taste. That's why I like doing it that way. If you really want the mocha taste too, put like a little bit of vanilla in there. Believe me, trust me, you'll thank me later. But before I do that, I also always drink cucumber water. I hydrate first before I drink any coffee or any tea, whether it's plain water, cucumber water, lemon water, whichever one. I always hydrate myself first because we do know coffee do dehydrate us. I'm going to be making basically the same thing that I kind of made yesterday, my sausage, egg, and cheese. I'm going to throw these 3 little sausages in the microwave, and I'm going to be making 1 fried egg with cheese and put it on top of the burrito. So I will let you guys finish watching the video. Now, those who has been watching my channel, you know I cannot roll a burrito to save my life. This is absolutely so embarrassing that I can't roll a burrito up. I really need to probably like stop doing this on camera. But we make it work. We make it work. It's because these low carb tortillas is a lot softer than with the other ones that is made with like a whole bunch of flour and stuff is. So it's harder for me to roll it up. Listen, go ahead and finish watching the video. There's no excuse. Alright, so now we are going to do lunch. I am just going to be making that garlic cheesy bread that I made yesterday as well. And again, I wanted to show you what the butter look like. So this is just a tablespoon of butter today. I didn't use a tablespoon and a half. So this is 1 tablespoon of butter, and I just put Italian, oregano, red pepper flakes, and garlic powder in here after I put it in the microwave for it to get soft. So you want the butter to not be completely melted, but you want it to be soft when you take it out of the microwave. And then as you stir in all of those herbs, it'll melt a little bit more, and it turns out to this texture like this. It's not too watery. Or too oily, I should say. So you're just going to, of course, coat your pita with this good butter, this goodness gold right here. You're going to coat your pita with it, and we're just going to top it with mozzarella. Well, for mine, though, I'm going to put Italian-style cheese on it first, and then put a little mozzarella on it. All right, I'll let you watch this, and then I will come right back.
Picture so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you we've got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now.
did want to show you guys my cucumber water that I always talk about. So this is one of my cups that I drink it out of, and sometimes I just fill my 30-ounce bottle up and I'll drink like 3 of them. So for the cups, I cannot even tell you how many cups I drink of this a day. If I'm using that cup, I drink tons of it. So here is what my garlic cheese pizza look like. Doesn't it look good? I can eat this every day, y'all. I don't eat it every day, but I can eat it every day. It's so good. And who doesn't like garlic and cheese with a little bit of carbs? Come on now. And this whole wheat pita is only 7 net carbs. Like, oh, come on, give me some.
I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse.
All right, you guys, so you would never believe what I'm going to try to do today. I'm going to try to air fry a whole chicken. So I am just going to put some avocado oil over this chicken. I'm going to rub it in the chicken well. I'm going to be seasoning it with jerk seasoning, Italian seasoning, oregano and garlic powder, and red pepper flakes. I am so excited to see how this turned out. My air fryer has a chicken button on there. I think it goes to like 375. So I'm gonna put it on there and it cooks for a half an hour. So I'm gonna cook the first side for a half an hour, then I'm gonna flip it and cook it a half an hour again. The reason why I'm doing it this way, so I don't have to turn that hot oven on. It's too hot for an oven to be turned on. So I wanted to try to air fry. And I'm like, why wouldn't I be able to? I can cook wings, breasts, thighs in the air fryer. Look, this chicken ready to find out if she can cook a whole chicken in the air fryer. I'm going to stuff it with just peppers and onions like I would do if it was in the oven. And we're going to put this in here and see.
See me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline. Lately, I've been lying to myself. No, I need to get some help. Hoping you could save me, baby. Put our pictures on the shelf. Swore I'm over you, oh well. It's not that easy. Waking up in this place all alone. Staying up night and day on the phone. Can't help myself. I need me to be whole again.
So that chicken turned out so good. I just steamed some broccoli and I'm going to steam some cauliflower rice, and then we are going to plate this thing. And of course I will show you what all my net carbs were today. I ate 3 meals today, you guys, because I did not want to eat snacks. So I told myself I'm going to eat 3 meals today because I'm fasting tomorrow anyway. And it's still, I did pretty good. Like I was still under the carbs. And well, I'll show you. Look, I don't need to go into all this. I'm going to show you anyway.
Lately, I've been trying to fix the mess. Get myself up out of bed, but I'm feeling empty. Maybe I need to try something else. Get you out of my head. You can't save me. Waking up in this place all alone. Staying up night and day on the phone. You're not the one, no, no. You're not the one, no, no, no. I'm moving on and fading quicker. That's what you got me thinking lately.
All right, you guys, so for today I had 1,079 calories and I had 20 net carbs. So for all of this food today, that is what it was, 20 net carbs, and I didn't eat no snacks today. I didn't make me a mug cake. I didn't make me no pita chips. I didn't do none of that today. I ate all nutritional dense foods today. All right, you guys, that is going to be the end of this video. I thank you guys for joining me. I thank you for sharing this space with me. And as always, I thank you for watching.